Here I have a battery, and that battery contains 10 volts. Here's the negative end, and here's the positive end. Let's draw the circuit connected to the battery. Up, over to the right, down we go, over to the left, and up we go. There's our circuit, but we forgot something. I also have a resistor in here. Let's draw that resistor. The schematic diagram has a resistor looking something like that. Okay, let's label it resistor 1. Resistor 1 has 5 ohms. Now I know the resistance, it's 5 ohms. I know the voltage, it's 10 volts. But I don't know what the current is. Current is labeled I. The current equals what? There's a formula we'll be using all the time. That's called Ohm's Law. V, voltage, equals I times R. How do you get, well, we know the resistance, and we know the voltage, but we don't know the current. So what do? I isolate I on this side and figure out its value. How do I do that? I divide both sides by R. I divide the left side by R and the right side by R. R over R cancels out completely. And now that guy is gone. Now I have what? I have V over R equals I. Wow. Let's move it like that. Well, I know what some of those values are. Let's write those in. Let's substitute 10 volts for volts. 10 volts. And R is equal to 5 ohms. 5 times ohms, or 5 ohms. And that's equal to I, the current. Well, I know that 10 over 5 is 2, and volts over ohms is called amps. 2 amps equals the current. So the current is equal to 2 amps, 2 amperes. Wow, what do you know? So by knowing one of these values, and then 2 of these values, I was able to figure out the third value, current. What was the name of that law? Ohm's Law. Ohm's Law. And what was Ohm's Law? V, voltage, equals current times resistance. Knowing this, I was able to figure out this. Wow. Well, that's all I have to say for now. This is George Boole saying bye-bye.